What if I told you everyday objects could turn to dust? In the next few seconds, you'll see amazing crush tests by a powerful hydraulic press. Watch as it flattens a toy car. Look at this brick crumble to tiny pieces. See how effortlessly it smashes a phone. The press turns a soda can into a shiny disc. Ever seen a rubber duck turn into a pancake? The sounds and visuals are incredibly satisfying. Can you guess how strong this press is? It makes even the toughest items look fragile. Isn't it amazing how quickly it works? The variety of objects makes it even more fascinating. Each crush is unique and surprising. Love satisfying content? Subscribe for more crush tests. Hit the link in the description to follow our channel. Stay tuned for more incredible crushing. Love what you see. Join our community.